everyone, I'm Chita and I'm from 11 Science 2. In this video, let's talk about lightning. So guys, this is my note about lightning and I will read it for you. So what is lightning? Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the atmosphere between clouds, the air, and the ground. The early stage of development, air acts as an insulator between the positive and negative charge in the clouds and between the clouds and the ground. When the opposite charge build up enough, the insulating capacity of the air breakdowns and there is a rapid discharge of electricity that we call as lightning. The flash of lightning temporarily equalizes the charge region in the atmosphere until the opposite charge builds up again.
Did you know, guys, that this phenomenon can be found in our daily life? When we just turn off the television, then bring our hands closer to the screen, then our fine hair will be pulled or stand up tense. It happens because of the electric current. In addition, when we rub a balloon or plastic ruler on our hair for a long time, our hair can stand up and be pulled by the balloon or ruler. It also happens because of the electric current.
So, that's for me. Thank you.